Alright, have a Hyundai Kona. It's a 2018 model. Show you where your cabin filter is at and how to pull it out. Go ahead and open your glove box up. Take your stuff out. Come over to this side here. You're going to have to disconnect this damper right here, and all you need to do is actually just pull on it. Okay. And then right here in the glove box you have the stoppers right here. Turn them counterclockwise and they'll just come right off. This one is loose, just the angle I'm at with my right hand isn't good. There we go. Alright, and then your cabin filter is right inside of here. Just pinch this right here. It'll come right off. If you need to get one of these filters, I'll leave you a link down in the description box below. And just pull it right out. So it's fairly clean. So you can get your new one. Just reverse installation. This side here clips. Very, very simple.